because of there is no electricity, our children cannot attend their exam and they will mark absent. Every day we are facing the same problem. This is a big question mark to the department who are working here. Are they eligible to work in this department? We want to know that because we have been suffering not for just a few days. It has been continuing for the months. It's not about 1 day, 2 days. In the day there is no electricity, we can understand might be they are repairing, we know, fine. But whole night there is not electricity. What are they repairing? What are they doing? The department, what are they doing? We are paying what we are supposed to pay according to the needs we are doing. And they should do the work according to the needs. They are working as a public servant, then they should work for the public. They are all coming in their own time. They are taking their own time. No one is taking initiative of doing anything. So to whom shall we go and say all these are problems? Who has the responsibility to take the problem up? We are just a lay people. We are coming here to find out what is the problem. No one has the answer. He says that you have to talk with that one. She says that you have to talk with that one. Are we simply useless people? We are coming here. We also have got some work. We also left our children, left our house, left everything, and we came here because we want to get a solution from this department that what can they do next steps. Please be clear of what you are doing. And we cannot stay on like this for every time. And see how much our children are suffering. They are not getting to attend any online classes. They are missing out their classes. They are missing out their examination. Now will this department go and inform the school principal, the teachers that because of there is no electricity, our children cannot attend their exam and they will mark absent? Who will be responsibility for this? If the school is marking absent to the student has to take the parents and meet the principal and meet the teachers. Who will do that? Are they going to take all the burden in their head? They are not going to do that. They are really sitting in their own office with all the fans on, everything. And they are not thinking about others. We are suffering. Even yesterday night also we came here. There is a big question mark. By 8:30 we are coming here. Why none of the office staff is here? There is a big question mark to the department here. At least one of the office staff should remain. One person said he is a local person, that he said there is less staff members. If you have got less staff members, please recruit more. Please get some more staff. You have to work. It's not that you are enjoying, this line is having VIP line, they are all enjoying the lights and fan. We are not having neither those. Early in the morning you get up. As soon as you get up, the first thing what you need is water. Without water we cannot do anything. And in our area we don't have, no one is giving us the supply of the government the water. We are having our own water. Unless there is no electricity, we cannot pump even the water. So do you think about them? Others are staying all in Agartala, in all the area where there are electricity. They are staying in very peaceful way. They don't have any border for anyone. But we, the people who are suffering, at least you think for us. We can, okay, by anyhow, daytime we can manage by walking around. Or nighttime, where should we walk? There is no fan. How will we sleep? We'll open the doors and sleep. It's a big question mark to the department that they have nothing. They have not done anything. They have not taken any initiative what they will do. They are giving only excuses every day. Every day there is an excuses. If you are not eligible to work, please give the people who can work here, let them do their work and supply current for us properly. As when you have fixed for the prepaid, when so many people they were not able to pay the money, you came to the house and you took the fridge, the television, you just took because they are saying that we are doing hooking. Now we are not doing any hooking and we are giving you every month the payment what we are supposed to give them. Why you cannot supply us the electricity? What is the problem? Are we using in free? We are not using anyone's money, okay? We are using our own money and we are spending. So it's all your department that you have to look into it. I don't know, we came here, nothing is here and no one is here. It was left open and we have seen so many games, indoor games inside. It's something big question mark to the department. What are you doing? Only when you get the news that there is no electricity, you will run for it. Please be sure of what you are doing. This is my request to all those who are in charge. Please look into this matter. It's not about 1 day, it's not about today. It has been continuing for months and years. We are suffering. But it is crossing the limits. That's why we are here today, gathering together to come to one solution. We want to get a solution that what you will do next, what step is you going to take next. Because every day we will not be able to suffer like this.